differently in Chinese. 啊？什么？真的吗？不是吧？不会吧？ Got it? Face to face. 面对面 hand in hand. 手拉手 back to back. 背靠背 step by step. 一步一步 Different ways to say husband in Chinese. 老公爱人丈夫亲爱的 Which one do you like? Take the subway in Chinese. 坐地铁坐地铁坐地铁 Got it? SK daily sentences. We are friends. 我们是朋友我们是朋友 We are best friends. 我们是闺蜜我们是闺蜜 Got it? Do you miss me in Chinese? 你想我吗？你想我吗？你想我吗？ Got it? HSK Chinese phrases with 吗？对吗？要吗？吃吗？来吗？是吗？有吗？去吗？行吗？ Got it? Wait, I'm waiting for you in Chinese. 我在等你我在等你我在等你我在等你 Got it? Don't waste time trying to learn Chinese on your own. The efficiency of self-study is too low. The key to learning Chinese is finding the right method and an experienced teacher to guide you. Using the wrong method wastes your money. You might also spend 2 years studying incurrently only to realize it was wrong in the end. Time lost can't be refunded. I've got thousands of students learning Chinese. I can confidently say that I can help you to learn Chinese fast and easily. That's why I've decided to launch my newly upgraded Chinese beginner course. You don't have to figure things out on your own anymore. I will teach you everything: Chinese pronunciation, listening, speaking, reading, grammar, and writing characters. Click the link in the comments to join my course. If you enroll now, you will also get my one-on-one QA surveys. HSK Chinese is super easy. 喝水喝酒跑步散步睡觉起床唱歌跳舞 Got it? You're awesome in Chinese. 你真棒你真棒你真棒 Have a seat in Chinese. 请坐请坐请坐 Got it? HSK Chinese is super easy. Ask, what time is it in Chinese? 几点了几点了几点了几点 If you want to watch what Chinese people post on TikTok, use 抖音 If you want to book a local hotel in China, use 携程 If you want to order a taxi, use 滴滴 If you want to find a good place to eat, use 美团 Got it?